Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use BCAA supplements during your workout. First, understand that BCAA, or branched-chain amino acids, are crucial for muscle support. They help reduce muscle breakdown and can lessen fatigue, allowing you to push harder. Consuming them correctly ensures you get the most out of every scoop, supporting your performance and recovery. To start, measure out your BCAA powder. A common dose ranges from 5 to 10 grams, depending on your body weight and workout intensity. Mix this powder thoroughly with 16 to 20 ounces of water in a shaker bottle. This dilution makes it easy to sip over time, ensuring consistent delivery to your muscles throughout your entire workout. The key to effective BCAA use is consistent intake during your session. Start sipping your prepared BCAA drink just before you begin your warm-up. Continue to drink small amounts steadily throughout your entire workout, aiming to finish the bottle by the time your cooldown is complete. This strategy ensures a constant supply of amino acids to your working muscles. By following these steps, you'll help preserve your hard-earned muscle mass and support faster recovery after intense training. BCAA are a fantastic tool for anyone looking to optimize their workout performance and reduce post-exercise soreness. Remember, consistency is vital for seeing the best results from any supplement. Also, for those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.